How to connect the fake Ultra Watch 2 or the Apple Watch Ultra to copy the one that looks like this here. So if you were one of those that got one of these here and your interface is kind of different, it has this kind of layout here. I'll show you guys how to connect this to a Samsung phone with Android 14. Okay, so before you do anything with your phone, you want to get this to enable the Bluetooth settings so that it can show up on your phone itself. Okay, so while in a clock face here like that, you'll press this button here, okay, and you'll get this set of options here, these toggles right there. So just kind of swipe over like this here until you see this option right here, the one with the phone and the Bluetooth icon. Just single tap that. That's going to turn on the Bluetooth settings for this watch here. Okay, so this is a different pairing process compared to the real Apple Watch Ultra, just so you know. And then now on your Samsung phone here, you'll want to get into the Bluetooth settings. And to do this, you'll pull this down here once or twice until you see the Bluetooth toggle here. So go ahead and long press this and go here to details. And I would recommend going to the details so you can actually see what's going on. If it's off, turn it on and you'll see Apple Watch, the Apple Ultra. Okay, you'll notice it's going to appear as two separate devices. This one here is going to simply connect as a audio piece. The phone is going to recognize it as an audio device and that's it. But if you want to use it as an actual watch itself, whether you have the full capabilities of a real Apple Watch, just you'll go with this one here and then you'll press pair. Okay, it's going to say pair for you. And of course, if you can get the app, it's up to you, but this basically will connect it for you first. You'll have to connect it first in order to get it to work and sync with the app. Okay, and that's basically it for this tutorial. Like and